Hello, my name is Colette. I live in Mexico right now. I wanted to say a big hello to all my LGBTQ brothers and sisters out there in Jamaica. I lived in London for most of my life and was lucky enough to be able to eat all sorts of delicious Jamaican food because there's such a huge community there. As you can tell, I really do like food. Give me beef patties, rice and peas, callaloo, curry chicken. I'll eat it all. And I know that Jamaica is beautiful and Jamaican people are amazing. Problem is, I'm a queer woman and I'm probably not very welcome there, and it makes me sad. So I just wanted to let you all know, all of the LGBTQ people in Jamaica who are fighting the fight right now, keep strong, stay proud. We love you and we are here for you.